Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to install Ansible, the latest Ansible via pip on a Ubuntu host. So I've got these steps here that we can just follow. So first step is to update your system packages. So these are the commands that you have to enter to update your system packages. Now we upgrade the packages. Okay, done. And you can also install Python and PIP at the same time, and this is the command to do that. So as you can see, it says that Python 3 is already newest version, and Python 3-pip is already the newest version as well. So I actually already entered these commands before making this video, but I just wanted to show you the steps. And step 3, which is optional, is to install virtual environment. Okay, and this one as well, it's already installed, as you can see here. And step 4 is to create a virtual environment. This is the command. Okay, and this one here is to activate the virtual environment. So as you can see, we now see this keyword ansible-venv, so meaning the virtual environment has been activated. And this is, by the way, optional as well. And now we can install the latest version of Ansible. So you can see that requirement already satisfied also, and now we can verify the version of Ansible. So this is actually just one way to verify the version of Ansible, and we can see that the core version is 2.17.5, and this is the config file where the Ansible config is saved, and this is the configured module search path, Python module location, collection location, and all other things, and of course the version of Python that is installed. And here, this command is another command that you can use to verify the installed Ansible version using pip. So if I issue this command, we see that this is the version of Ansible. So this one here is just the core, the Ansible core. Here is the full package. Okay, so that's how you can quickly install Ansible via pip on a Ubuntu host. So hopefully you found this video useful. If you have, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.